Now we will draw a beautiful scenery, and in that only we will understand various effects, various magical effects. Fine. So what is basically we are drawing in scenery? Basically the scenery is your imagination, what how beautifully you can imagine, right? But the basic things, river, grass, trees. So first of all, I'm drawing a river. For drawing a river, I'll use paint tool. So to draw the river, let's click on paint tool. And what is the color we are assuming of water? Blue. Let's choose the blue color. And can you see so many types of brushes you can use? If you want to use a thicker brush, it's here, thinner one, a lot. See, various different styles of brushes also you can use. And I'm drawing it with the help of this one. I'm sure you are going to make a scenery far much better than mine. Let's fill it with color. I'm sure your scenery will be going to be beautiful than mine, far much. Let's fill it with water. I'm filling the river with water. Now river is drawn. Now I'll draw some green grass. For this I need not to draw it by pen tool. This magic tool is going to help me out. So for this, click on magic, and wow, we are having a grass effect. So the first effect which we have learned is grass. See, wow, I need not to make it. I'm just using it so smoothly. See, so as much dense as you want to. Fine, grass is done. Now I need to make a tree. I want to make a tree, and for making the tree I will click on paint tool. And paint tool, I'll not draw with the help of brush. A different style of brush is available, which is going to help me out in this. See, this one, this near to this triangle we are having vine tool. What is the name is of the brush? Vine brush or vine tool, we'll say. So I'll use it. Wow, right. And if the tree is here, I have to draw a, the tree is not going to stand in the air. Fine, I need to draw its base as well. For base I need to take a normal brush, and the base of this is the root of tree is of brown color. Drawn, right? The basic things has been drawn. Now some more magical effects I am going to apply, and it is going to make the scenery more beautiful. Click on magic tool. Now flowers also you want? Very nice. So click on magic tool and see flowers. Wow, so easy na? So easy. Choose the flowers and draw wherever you want to. This was flower effect of magic tool. Wow, Then I want to draw some foaming effect near to the river. Again, magic tool and click on foam. Wow, this is so good. See? Yes. One more thing I want to, in the river there are fishes also. Okay. For drawing the fish, I need to click on paint tool, and we are having a brush, starfish brush, this one, starfish brush. Just have to pick it up and draw the starfish. See, so easily I have made this drawing. That's quite amazing, right? Now, done with this, I have told you the vine effect from paint tool, the starfish effect from paint tool, the foam effect of magic tool, grass effect, flower effect, lot many. Now, in the magic tool we have some more interesting effects. Do you know rainbow? Yes, perfectly correct. The rainbow used to form after the rainfall. So in the magic tool we are having two types of rainbow effect. See, after scrolling from, see these arrows, down arrow and the up arrow, we can switch, we can navigate, we can go up and down from these arrows. See, I'm able to see rainbow. Yes, rainbow, real rainbow. Two types of rainbow effect. Why? Let's see, then we will understand why. The first is normal rainbow effect. Let's see, I have used this one. See, this is not how the rainbow looks like. The real rainbow won't looks like this. It is just a rainbow effect which is letting you draw a trail of rainbow colors. It is drawing a trail of trail means a series of rainbow colors to make the drawing beautiful. It is not the real rainbow. It is not the rainbow which we see in the sky after the rainfall. This is rainbow effect. Which one? There, near to the rainbow effect. But I want to draw a real rainbow. For this I will use this real rainbow effect. Click on this. See, is it the rainbow looks like? Yes. So the difference between the rainbow and real rainbow effect is that in rainbow effect it draws a series of the colors of rainbow, a series of rainbow colors, not the rainbow. It is not drawing the rainbow, but the real rainbow effect lets you draw a rainbow. See, this is the effect. See, you can see by yourself. This is the rainbow effect, this is the real rainbow effect. The real rainbow will let you draw a rainbow that you see in the sky after a rainfall. Clear? So many magical effects. This magic tool is literally a magic tool. Magical it is. Some more tools I am going to tell you.